Hi guys, today let's talk about verb tenses, and the ones we're going to focus on today are going to be the simple past, present, and future. So simple past, simple present, simple future. Let's look at present tense first. So a present tense verb indicates something that happens regularly or is true now. For each fall, apples ripen on the trees. That's present tense. In this case, it's something that happens regularly. Past tense verbs tell about something that happened in the past. Most of the time, you form the past tense of a verb by adding the suffix ed. If we have present tense here, we pick apples in the orchard. The past tense is we picked apples in the orchard. Past, already happened. Present, happening now. Sometimes, though, verbs are irregular, of course, with the English language, and the spelling changes when forming the past tense. So if I fly today, yesterday I flew. Today I buy. Yesterday I bought. Today I think. Yesterday I thought. Today I see. Yesterday I saw. You just have to learn those irregulars and the spelling patterns. And then we have the future tense. The future tense verb tells what will happen in the future. You add the word will to the present tense verb form in order to form the future tense. So if this is our present tense, we pick apples from the trees. This is present. I always think of the word today. Today we pick apples from the trees. Tomorrow, I think in my head the word tomorrow to help me with future tense, we will pick the apples from the trees.